The kinds of reasons that I hear that preclude women from or young girls from participating actively ranges anything from not being aware of what the opportunities are, the stereotype that exists for people in STEM, that it is for geeks, dweebs, not really attractive personalities, that it is a male-dominated environment and they feel uncomfortable working in that. And probably more prevalent than all of that is a lack of role models, and so they don't see themselves in a STEM career. It's frankly what the nation needs in order to maintain its economic prosperity and competitiveness and innovation, to have more women in STEM.
I've long wanted to be a doctor and work with foreigners, but I couldn't imagine my future, so I came here to get advice for my future. I got to know one scientist. She was challenging her own goals, and the more I know about her, the more I feel that I want to be a woman just like her. She said that believe in yourself and you can do unbelievable things. I will challenge my goals and never give up.